So welcome student. So this is the third class of the chemical kinetics. So in this class, first we will read what are the different units of rate constant. Rate constant is what? K. Second, different types of numerical we will solve. So first, last class we have read rate law, rate expression, rate constant. Rate constant, this is also known as velocity constant. Suppose this is a reaction, you see, this is a reaction, x of r gives rise to product. So what is the rate expression? So rate equals to k into r to the power x. Clear? So this power, this is known as order of the reaction. Clear? So we have read also this order of the reaction may be positive, negative, zero, fraction. Clear? So here k equals to, rate divided by r to the power x. Okay. So our heading is units of rate constant, means what are the different units of k. So earlier we have read k value does not depend on concentration of r. So k value always depends on the power, or which is known as order of the reaction. So that's why the first bit is for zero order. For zero order. So zero order equals to, we can write k. So rate unit is mole liter inverse second inverse by r to the power 0. R to the power 0 is 1. So k is mole liter inverse second inverse. Clear? This is for zero order. Similarly, for first order. So for first order, we can write k equals to, rate is mole liter inverse second inverse divided by r to the power 1. R is concentration. So concentration is mole liter inverse. Mole liter inverse, mole liter inverse. This part will cancel. So it will come second inverse. Clear? Similarly, for second order. So it will come k equals to mole liter inverse second inverse by r to the power 2. So r to the power 2 means it will come mole square liter to the power minus 2, this much. So if we cancel this, then it will come mole inverse liter second inverse. So like this for zero order, for first order, and for second order. So when question will come, unit will be given, question will ask what is the order of the reaction, means reverse question will come. Clear? So for zero order, first order, second order, we can easily calculate because these are all our whole number. But you see, when the suppose order will be given a fraction 1.5, 2.7, then how can you calculate the order of the reaction? So we can write one general formula. In the general formula, if we put the direct order value, then we can directly calculate what is the unit of a rate constant. So the general formula is like this: mole to the power 1 minus n liter to the power n minus 1 second inverse. Clear? What is n? N is order of the reaction. So if you put the n value, then directly you see for zero order. So what is the n value? 0. So 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, second inverse. Clear? For first order. So first order, n value is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Yes or no? 1 minus 1, 0. So 1, 1, so only second inverse, you see. Then for second order, put n value 2, so 1 minus 2, minus 1, liter 2 minus 1, liter, then second inverse. Clear? So this is the what your general form. Understood? So this is the meaning of units of rate constant. So unit given, order will ask, order will be given, unit will ask. Okay. Then we'll come to different types of numerical. So here I have written two numerical here. How can we solve this? First is given question, you see, the conversion of a molecule X to Y follows second order kinetics. So here it is given second order, you see, here it is given second order. So if the concentration is increased 3 times, how will it affect the rate of formation of Y? Clear? So how can you calculate this? So first, so answer. So here rate equals to second order given means direct k into x square. Clear? Then it is given when the concentration is increased 3 times. So another rate dash equals to k into, we can write 3x square. So it will be k into 9 into x square. So rate dash by rate equals to k into 9 into x square by k into x square. So k cancel, x square will come, it will be 9. So this implies we can write rate dash equals to rate into 9. That means when it is a second order kinetics, so when the concentration increases 3 times, the rate increases 9 times. Clear? So for this also reverse question will come. That means question will come like this. The conversion of a molecule of X to Y follows certain order kinetics, means order not given. If the concentration increase 3 times, rate increases 9 times. Like this question now will solve. So what is the order of the reaction? Again you see, rate dash increases 3 times. So rate dash by rate equals to 9. So rate dash equals to rate into 9. Clear? Okay. Come to second question. So in the second question you will see, second question is this coefficient will never but write as a order, because here order is asking. So here for this question we will write the answer. So here rate equals to k into x to the power something will write. We don't know what is the value of a. We'll never put a 2. Clear? Then next is rate dash is k when concentration increases how much time? 27 times. So 27x to the power a. Question is given rate dash by rate means k into 27 x to the power a by k into x to the power a. This value increases how much time? Now it becomes 3 times. So what is the value of a we have to solve? So you see k cancel. So x to the power x to the power. So we can write rate dash by direct input. So here we can write, so 27 to the power a into x to the power a by x to the power a equals to 3. So x to the power a cancel. So this implies it will come 27 to the power a equals to 3. So here we can write 3 to the power 3, means 3 to the power 3a equals to, it is what? 3 to the power 1. So this implies we can write 3a equals to 1. So a equals to 1 by 3. A equals to 1 by 3. Hence the order of the reaction is 1 by 3. So like this. But you see, these are actually divisible, perfect cube. But when the data will be not suppose cube or square, then we have to take log and anti-log format. Okay. So like this what a question will come, and these are important part. So this is the question, means order given, relation is asking. But here relation given, order is asking. Okay, see this. Okay. Similarly, from the NCERT book, exercise question number 4.6. From the NCERT book, exercise 4.6, same format question. From the exercise 4.6. So 4.6 question is given. A reaction is second order. So that means rate equals to k into x square will be rate because order given. How is the rate of the reaction is affected? How is the rate of the reaction is affected when the concentration is doubled? So when the concentration is doubled means rate how many times? 4 times. Because we can write like this k into 2x whole square. So k into 4 into x square. So 4 times. Clear? Similarly, second bit is given when it reduces to half. So when x reduces to half means it is how much time? 1 by 4 times. Okay, so like this, what k units of k, and based on this unit, different types of this numerical will come. Okay, clear?